Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks for your design needs. In today's video, we're diving into the fun and creative world of custom stickers. Stick around, and you'll learn how to make your very own stickers using Canva, whether for personal use, branding, or just for fun. First things first, if you don't already have a Canva account, head over to canva.com and sign up for free. Once you're in, start by clicking the Create a Design button. For stickers, you can use a custom size or select a template that suits your needs. I recommend starting with a square design, like 1080 by 1080 pixels, which is perfect for most sticker shapes. Designing your sticker. The fun begins. Let's design your sticker. Canva offers a wide range of elements, including shapes, illustrations, and text. Start by choosing a shape for your sticker. Circles, stars, or custom shapes can make your design pop. Next, add some text or icons. For a more personalized touch, you can even upload your own images or logos. Play around with colors, fonts, and sizes to make your design stand out. Remember, less is more. Focus on a clear, bold design that's easy to see from a distance. Enhancing your sticker. Want to take your sticker to the next level? Use Canva's effects and filters to add shadows, outlines, or even a 3D look to your design. If you're creating a sticker for a brand, consider adding your brand colors and logo for consistency. Canva's Brand Kit tool is super handy for this if you have a pro account. Downloading. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download it. Click the Share button at the top right and select Download. Choose PNG format for the best quality. Don't forget to toggle the transparent background option if you don't want any background on your sticker, and hit the download button. And there you have it, your very own custom stickers, ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome Canva tips and tricks. Until next time, happy designing!